Now let us look at this question in geometric or equation of straight line rather. Okay, and it reads that find the equation of a straight line which makes intercept of 4 and negative 3 on the x and y axis. Okay, so the general formula to this question, especially an equation of line, okay, that has an intercept on x and y, is given as x all over a plus y all over b equals 1, where a and b is this and this. Okay, but however, I want to give you a picture of what the question is saying. If we have a straight line, a coordinates y and x, okay, now the line intercept at what? 4 and negative 3. Take notice, is x and this is y. Is x and this is what? Y. Which means this one is on the negative axis. Negative y axis. So let me just draw. Okay. So if here is our 4 and here is our what? Negative 3. So this implies that, and this is our 0. This implies this point here has a coordinate of 4 and 0. Take note, the normal coordinate is always as x, y. Okay, and the coordinate here will definitely be 0 and negative 3. Okay, alright, and generally we know that the equation of a straight line is given as y equals mx plus c, where m here is the gradient of the straight line and c is the intercept. Okay, and we'll put it to plus or minus. Plus is when it is intercept at the positive y-axis, and minus is when it intercept at the negative y-axis. So, and we can come up here, we have the y minus y1 all over x minus x1 equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Okay, actually this is the most simplest, so but I just decided to go this route, to give a more explanation. So here we have the y minus, take note, this is our x1 y1 x2 y2. So our y1 is 0, then all over x minus x1 is 4, then equals y2 is negative 3, then minus 0 all over x2 is 0 minus x1 4. Okay, so here we have that y equal minus 0 all over x minus 4 equals negative 3 all over negative 4. When we cross multiply, take note, sorry, when we cross multiply, we have negative 4y, because this will move here, this will move here. The whole of this multiplied by negative 3, we have negative 3x, then plus what? 12. Now if you bring the whole of this, negative 4y to the right hand side, we have that 0 equals 4y minus negative 3x, then plus what? 12. So it's simple as saying 4y minus 3x plus 12 equals what? 0. So the equation of this line is given as this. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.